So welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a cool developer tool called DropIn Minimal CSS, which essentially just lets you add some basic CSS to make websites go from looking like they were made in 1998 to actually looking modern. And it's actually very easy to use this. So if I head over to their GitHub page, you'll see what they do is just wait for the styles to load. They provide a little CSS framework which just adds in your styles, and it just creates these basic styles which just make the website look presentable. They show how all of their elements are formatted, and we can actually, they also have many different themes, so we can have a look at, let's say, GD CSS. Wonder what this looks like. So I guess it looks like this, and yeah, we can look at something else, maybe lit CSS. Again, this is just a bit weird, but yeah, they have a lot of different options, and I actually like the original. It was just a11yana.css. So we would like this, and what we'd do is just go over to their GitHub page, and we could either just find it over here. So we could just select this. I think this is going to take us to the source. Yep. And from here you could just find the CSS file. Suppose they put it in source. Yep, there we go. If you don't want them all to be put together, then you can also just go to the original repo and just get it from there. Just wait for it to load because it's a bit slow. So go into source, and you can just select A11yana from there. I'm not going to do it because GitHub's been really slow for some reason, but yeah, just trust me, it's in there. And one really cool feature I want to show is the ability to add this drop down selector to any of your websites. So here I just have an old website I made for a video. I guess this one just shows you how to center an element. And what we can do is, if we copy this, what it tells you to do is paste it into this search bar. So before you paste it in, you're going to need to enable developer tools, which can be a bit risky, but you can just enable it for this and then remove it straight after. So go to settings. I'm sure there's an equivalent for Chrome, but I'm just going to show you how to do it in Safari. Go to the developer tab and then select allow JavaScript from smart search field. Select that. It'll give you a warning because it's quite dangerous, but if you just allow it for this, you can test it on your website. I'm sure this is safe, and then we can put this in here, paste in that JavaScript. Going to notice it adds this selector to our website, and from here what we can do is we can just try out a bunch of different options. So I'm going to try this one. This one looks quite nice. We could also try caramel. This looks like that. So you can see it just makes it look nice and presentable, rather than having it in the vanilla HTML, which just doesn't look that nice and is not very appealing. So this could be useful for websites which just try and demonstrate some kind of backend API, and the front end's not that important, but you can just add this to make it look just a bit nicer. Once you've decided which one you want, you can just reload the page, and that should get rid of it. Yep. And then you can just go over to the repo, go into source. I'm going to try it, but it might be really laggy. Yeah, go into source and then just select whichever one you want. So either one have the A11yana or the Bihona, that was also nice. Just select whichever one you want, and it just gives you a nice CSS base upon which you can start developing some nice looking websites. So thanks for watching, and that was DropIn Minimal CSS. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.